A new Moreart diorama in the family, and we're going to find out if it's any good. But if you've seen my other videos about Moreart products, we know it's going to be good. Hello everyone, I'm going to do an unboxing review. Can I show you a photo of how it looks? Well, you've already seen the thumbnail, there it is. Underground parking lot scene, lightning version. So it comes with lights. Let's see. Hey, an instruction manual. You don't see that a lot with Chinese products, but Moreart understands what we need. So this looks very simple, and a cool feature, you can order more and you can place them on top of each other, and you can make sure that the light is connected. The wires are connected, so you don't have to give every diorama a power bank. Do I say that right? Do you understand? I hope so. Here is the stacker. Yes, it is very well packed. I have to drop this here on the ground. Bubble plastic. Let's switch to white mode. There we go. Take out the plastic. Yeah, this is for in the front of the diorama, the dust cover. Side, I guess, place that here. Some 3D effects. Yeah. The background. The ceiling with the light and the wire. I think I need another one, right? Uh-oh, do I miss something? Is it still in the package? Ah, there it is. Yep. Okay. Should be like this though. Yes. And then this is the I think I can better do it like this. So this is going to be here. This one we do it. Oh no, wait. Yeah. Because you see, this is a good place, and this is. You see it much better. So we do it like this, and then we're going to place the back first. I'm going to take this out. And then we don't need any glue, so we can take this off. There we go. And then we place it right here for the 3D effect. Good? Yeah, good. And we're going to place that right here. Yes. And then this goes in here. The side. And this one goes here. There we go. And then we need this one on top. See, very nice, detailed. a little bit of light there in the corner, but I think this is the best we can do. Then we got the wire for the plug. Yeah. Okay, now we need to connect the light. So this. One-way fit. Click. Then we need a power bank. I think it's best. Oh, nice light, by the way. It works really well. Yeah, that looks very nice. Do I have more? Wait a minute. Nothing here, nothing here. Yeah, we got the dust cover, but I think that's, yeah, this. No, we don't have, we have all the parts, right? I thought maybe there is a part right here and here. No, I don't think so. You could use some glue for in the back. You see it? Over there. There's a little bit of a gap here. And you can use some glue for that. Now it's really hot out here. It's also possible that it's because of the heat. But now we want to know how it looks with a car inside. Let's pick some cars. Got a police car right here. Fits perfect. Looks also nice. Got a nice Porsche here. Place one next to it with the spoiler up. Very nice combination. Do I have more cars? Yeah, a lot more cars. It's taxi. And I'm going for this one. And we're going for a Kaido house. Kaido house model. Pretty big casting. Police taxi. And this beast. Yeah, that looks very nice. Perfect for a thumbnail. Click. I think so. And the Kaido house also fits perfect. Yeah. And you can of course also do it like this. And then you can also create a nice photo for your diecast car. Yeah, that's really cool. And what you can also do is give it some extra with some photos, stickers. gravity or maybe some vegetation, but it is a parking garage, so vegetation is not that realistic, but it can be cool here a little bit on the side. Why not? You decide what to do. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you soon with more Diecast. Bye.